Is online college hard? It's a common question. Are you nervous about starting online college? Do you wonder how you'll manage your time? Or stay disciplined? Let's talk about it. While you're watching, keep an eye out for our tips for your success with online learning. Remember, we've got resources in the video description to assist you every step of the way. Yes, online classes require a level of self-motivation and time management. You'll be your boss, navigating through lectures and assignments. Imagine being your own boss, steering through school at your own pace. And while college takes work, here's the good news and silver lining. Online classes offer incredible flexibility. Balancing work or family becomes easier when you can learn at your own pace. Check the video description for tools to help you stay on track. What's the difficulty level of courses, and can you handle the workload? Rest assured that online classes are generally on par with in-person classes. The secret to acing it? Your approach. Remember, succeeding in online learning is a journey tailored to you. Being proactive and organized will always keep you a step ahead. Familiarize yourself with the class platform early on. And guess what? It gets easier with each class you take. Here are tips to help you ace online college. Craft a schedule to include class time, study time assignments, and group projects. Choose a quiet, distraction-free study spot. You are not alone in this. Stay active in discussions and reach out to classmates and instructors. Feel free to seek help if you are stuck. Did you know many programs offer tutoring and advising? Take care of yourself. 1. Get enough sleep. 2. Eat healthy foods. 3. Exercise regularly. Do you have any tips to share? Drop them in the comments to help someone else succeed. So is online college hard? It's not black and white. You can succeed with the right approach, self-discipline, and support. And remember those resources in the video description. You've got this! Let online degrees and courses guide you to success. What online college topics would you like us to cover in our next video? Share your suggestions in the comments below. Want to learn more about online degree programs? Visit our online college playlist for insights and tips. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell so you will get our upcoming videos.